Hello! Let's learn some colors. Brown color, dark green color, yellow color, black color, dark blue color, violet color, orange color, red color, sky blue color, purple color, light green color. Let's try to draw some numbers. Red color, number 1, number 1. Light green color, number 2, number 2. Orange color, number 3, number 3. Purple color, number 4, number 4. Violet color, number 5, number 5. Yellow color, number 6, number 6. Sky blue color, number 7, number 7. Dark green color, number 8, number 8. Dark blue color, number 9, number 9. Brown color, number 10, number 10. Green color, number 11, number 11. Red color, number 12, number 12. Black color, number 13, number 13. Dark blue color, number 14, number 14. Purple color, number 15, number 15. Violet color, number 16, number 16. Yellow color, number 17, number 17. Orange color, number 18, number 18. Sky blue color, number 19, number 19. Red color, number 20, number 20. Green color, 21, 21. Brown color, number 22, 22. Violet color, number 23, 23. Red color, number 24, 24. Green color, number 25, number 25. Sky blue color, number 26, number 26. Black color, number 27, 27. Red color, number 28, 28. Yellow color. Number 29. 29. Orange color. 30. Number 30. Dark green color. Number 31. 31. Black color. Number 32. 32. Violet color. Number 33. Number 33. Orange color. Number 34. Number 34. Sky blue color. Number 35. Number 35. Let's count number again. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.